Illnesses and remedies. High blood pressure. This condition affects millions of people and puts them at increased risk for things like heart disease and stroke. Use this tea to help bring your blood pressure down and reduce your risk. Low blood pressure tea. This remedy contains herbs that have traditionally been used to lower high blood pressure. The blend is rich in vitamins and antioxidants and improves circulation throughout the entire body. It uses ginger for its health benefits and to improve the flavor of the blend. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon hawthorn berries dried, 1 teaspoon blueberries dried, 1 dandelion leaf dried, 1 teaspoon ginger root, freshly peeled and grated, 2 cups water. Instructions: place the berries in a pot, cover with water, bring to a boil. Cover and let simmer for 20 minutes. Remove from heat, add remaining ingredients, cover, let sit for 20 minutes, strain and drink. Makes 2 cups of tea. Hardening of the arteries. Circulation becomes impaired when deposits build up inside the arteries and narrow blood vessels. This is when the blood vessels can become stiff and inflexible. Sometimes people with blood vessel issues complain of having cold hands and feet. Can you see why this happens? Circulation spice tea. The herbs in this blend improve blood vessel health and promote warmth. Ingredients: 4 teaspoons green tea, 3 teaspoons ginger dried, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, ½ teaspoon cardamom, ½ teaspoon nutmeg, ½ teaspoon allspice, 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: combine herbs. Pour boiling water over 2 teaspoons of the herb blend. Let sit 20 minutes. Strain. Makes 1 cup of tea. Drink hot or warm. Sweeten if desired. Recipe makes 5 servings. High cholesterol. LDL cholesterol builds up in blood vessels and creates high blood pressure and hardening of the arteries, as well as increasing the risk for serious heart diseases. Using the proper herbs is a great way to improve your HDL-LDL ratio. Artichoke tea. The artichoke Cinera cardunculus and Cinera scalamus, also known as Chinese artichoke or knotroot, is known to improve the body's digestive ability as well as enhance liver and gallbladder functioning. It's also one of the few herbs that can raise HDL cholesterol levels and lower LDL cholesterol levels at the same time. While the herb is working on cholesterol, it has a dual function that helps lower blood pressure too. What an herb! Ingredients: 1 teaspoon artichoke leaves, dried, 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: add herb to a coffee cup and pour in boiling water. Cover. Let steep for 5 minutes, then strain and drink the tea. Healthy recipes for your heart cholesterol-lowering toast. Try this easy food remedy to keep cholesterol levels in check. It also prevents infections. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain bread, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, crushed or finely minced. Instructions: preheat broiler to low. Brush bread with olive oil. Sprinkle garlic on bread. Toast bread under broiler until light brown. Do not overcook, or garlic will be bitter and some of its healing properties will be diminished. Serves 1. Enjoy daily for optimal benefits if using to reduce cholesterol. If being used for infections, enjoy several times daily. Macadamia walnut salad. This heart-healthy salad is a rich source of omega-3 and omega-7 fatty acids, and the chickpeas are a good source of fiber. Dried cherries, ginger, and garlic have multiple health benefits for the circulatory and immune systems. Ingredients: vinaigrette, 1 clove garlic crushed, 1/2 inch piece ginger, freshly peeled and finely chopped, a ½ tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons macadamia nut oil. Salad: 4 cups romaine lettuce, torn into large pieces, 1 can low-sodium chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1/4 cup cherries, dried, 1/4 cup celery, chopped, 1/4 cup walnuts, chopped. Instructions: combine vinaigrette ingredients in a small bowl. Set aside. Place lettuce in a large bowl. Combine remaining salad ingredients and toss with lettuce. Stir vinaigrette dressing and pour over salad immediately before serving. Serves 4 to 6. Nutty snack mix. This recipe is rich in fiber, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats, including the less common omega-7 fats. Ingredients: 1 cup walnuts, 1 cup macadamia nuts, 1 cup peanuts, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon garlic dried, 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 4 cups popcorn, popped. Instructions: toast the nuts in an ungreased frying pan over medium heat. Stir frequently. Add rosemary, garlic, and cayenne pepper when nuts are toasted. Stir to combine ingredients. Remove from heat. Add popcorn. Mix ingredients lightly with a large spoon. Add Parmesan cheese. Mix again and serve. Make 7 cups. Spicy nuts and fruit. These are rich in healthy fats and spices that stimulate circulatory health. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon macadamia nut oil, 1 cup macadamia nuts, 1 cup walnuts, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, ground, and ½ teaspoon ginger, powdered, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, ground, 1/8 cloves, ground, 1 cup apricots, dried, 1 cup cranberries, dried, 1 cup cherries, dried. Instructions: coat a frying pan with macadamia oil. Turn stovetop heat to medium. Add nuts, stirring frequently. Cook until toasted lightly. Stir in spices. Remove from heat. Cool slightly. Add dried fruits and combine. Makes 5 cups. Thank you for watching. I hope these simple recipes will give you some insights into home remedies for circulatory health. In the next video, we'll explore natural remedies for the digestive system. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and thank you for your support.